Audio Jungle. Victoria is here with an amazing and unique project. Before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request you to please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So let's start the review now. Welcome to the Bold Pep. So guys, this is the very awesome project. You have to must join this amazing platform and you have to buy this amazing token. Bold Pep. What is the Bold Pep? This is the officially token address of the Bold Pep. You have to use this by buying this amazing token. So here is the officially Bold Pep meme roadmap. This is the basically initial past and future development of about this amazing platform. Here you can see what launched the Bold Pep meme with an thunder step catching the internet by storm, and in second phase organize a meme charity drive where every share of the Bold Pep generates donations to a worthy cause, and this is a meme charity drive. First is the bolting into the action, second is the meme charity drive, and third is the swap and peer-to-peer. So unveil the Bold Pep swap and peer-to-peer exchanges where meme enthusiasts can trade their rarest peeps with lightning speed, and you can also trade by amazing this platform. So this is the what is the Pep. This is the basically a meme coin and it is unleashes the power of memes in crypto. So are you ready to join the revolution of meme coin? This is look no further than Bold Pep meme coin, your gateway to the exciting world of crypto, fueled by human creativity and community spirit. So Bold Pep combines the best of the both worlds, the undeniable appeal of memes and the potential for financial growth in the crypto space. So you have to build on the Solana blockchain with its lightning fast transaction and secure blockchain technology. So it is a Solana basically the Solana blockchain program with its lightning and fast transaction and secure blockchain technology. Bold Pep offers a seamless users experience for both seasoned traders and also the newcomers alike. But Bold Pep is more than just a meme coin, as I have already described. It's a movement, our vibrant boundaries of what's possible in the crypto world. So together we are creating a platform where creativity thrives and everyone has a voice. So you have to wait? Join the Bold Pep revolution today and let's meme our way to the moon. So this is the contract renounced and this is the LP burn, and there is how you can buy, and this is the officially name of Bold Pep symbol BTP. This is the total supply, which is the 1 billion almost. This is the total supply of this amazing token. So this is the contract address, and here you can see it is officially listed on all DEX screener and the desktop. So here you can see there's desktop on Bold Pep. This is the you can see their market cap total, which is the 8.25k, and here also you can see on it is also listed on the Rhythm, and here you can see their liquidity, which is 6.65k, and here you can see their circular supply also, and the total holders and total market cap, and you can also see their 24-hour volumes, and here is the also the trader history, and DEX score is almost 82% from 99. So it is very good. Here you can see the all holders which they have buy this amazing token and they get more benefit in the future. So it is also listed on DEX screener. Here you can see there the price and also their total volume, and you can see there the graph which is very bluish almost, and here is the all information about this amazing platform. So here is the all information about this transaction, top traders, holders and liquidity providers. So You can also swap on this rhythm. You have to just simply connect your wallet and you can get this. So these are the officially telegram account of the BoldPap. You have to must join. BoldPap airdrop will be announced and you have to simply do a task. You have to join their BoldPap community of telegram. Also you have to join their Twitter official Twitter account. This is the official Twitter account of the BoldPap. You have to simply join their social media's account and you can get airdrop free. So you have to must follow on this, and I recommend you to invite your family and friends on this amazing platform, and you have to must buy this. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.